Good morning, everyone. It is early Saturday morning, and I just wanted to come on to show you guys the sunrise. So I'm going to flip the camera around, and this is the sunrise currently that's happening over the Columbia River. I am just outside of Astoria, Oregon, and the air is very nice and cool. It's going to be a really hot day today. It's also the Hood to Coast runners event today. But right now it is 5:45 in the morning, and it is still really nice and quiet. And I just wanted to capture the sunrise. You can just hear the cars in the distance. But I love these morning moments. You can see some birds. There's a little bat actually flying around. And I think that bat moved into the side of one of our little buildings that we have here, because we heard some sounds the other day, and now we seen some evidence of bat poop. And it's a tiny little bat. It's very cute. But in case if you guys see it showing up, it just flew by. But I love the mornings when it's the sun just waking up. Like right now, the air is cool, and besides the cars in the distance, you could just hear the birds occasionally, and it is very quiet and gentle. This is one of my favorite times. Getting up, stepping outside, and see the sun waking up. And as you can see, everything else is pretty dark. There's a few little clouds, but otherwise it is very clear. The forest and the animals are asleep. The chickens are still asleep. It's just me and the sunrise. And it is also wonderful to think that, in the other end of the globe, my family and friends also look at the same sunrise. The same with the moon at night. We look up the moon, and our friends and family also look up to the moon. I love these branches right in front of me. It looks like they are reaching for each other. These plants, like, want to touch each other. They're getting very close. I have these quiet reflections in the morning, and I'm not sure what will come to my mind, but just standing here, closing my eyes for a moment, grounding, swaying gently, and just appreciating this sunrise, this moment. Whoever will watch this video, I think it's important to appreciate these quiet, gentle moments in our life, because things get so busy so quick. So in the back that you see, those are mountains in Washington State. And it is a little foggy over there above the river. So the river is not as visible right now. Can be kind of hard to see from the trees a little bit too. Try to move to a different angle. When the sun is a little bit higher, then it's see it between those trees as well. But it's going to be a while. Yeah. I hear some movement in the chicken coop, so the chickens are slowly starting to wake up. And the sky is gently just getting a little bit brighter every moment, every second as we are here together. You might hear some gentle bird sounds. We are just watching the sunrise. Just appreciating the moment. Some birds are starting to wake up. More and more bird sounds coming. I just love nature and it gives so much. Except spiders. I did get a lot of spider bites yesterday walking around. But I know spiders have their roles too. So sorry, spiders. Hopefully you guys can hear the birds. And I'm just closing my eyes and listening. Listening and trying to tune into nature. Birds and the trees and the sunrise. Be in the moment. Being grateful and hopeful for a beautiful day today. The sky is getting a little brighter. And it's very early in the morning, so I was not really expecting anybody to join this live session. But I was hoping somebody might. be able to watch this sunrise with me, but still I wanted to capture it so you guys can see it later because it is so beautiful. It's 5:55 a.m. in Pacific Standard Time right now. My little bat just flew by, just watching the sunrise. Been here about 10 minutes. Listening to the birds in the forest as they wake up. Might hear some cars in the background. Wherever you are in the world, when you are watching this, thank you for watching this sunrise with me. I appreciate you. And I hope that the serenity and the calmness of this beautiful morning coming through. Life can bring a lot of obstacles, but it also brings a lot of beauty and joy. If you like this video of the sunrise, please check out some of my other videos. I have done some nature walks and meditative videos, and also some stories about different topics and books I have written myself, poetry as well as books with other people. Just gonna spend another few minutes watching the sunrise and hope you guys saw that. Catch the birds and flying by. I'm just closing my eyes and listening to the birds. Again, thank you for being here with me this morning and watching the sun waking up and listening to the sounds of the forest. You should probably hear a rooster in the background now. The bird sounds just make me smile. Oops. It was a quick flyby. think that was a little resident bat. Oh, well, good morning. Good morning, Crow. All right. Well, that was another quick flyby. Well, thank you again for joining this moment with me in the morning and wishing everybody a beautiful and lovely day. Until I see you next time, may your day be joyful, beautiful. Another quick flyby. Oh, I'm just so grateful to see the little bats and some birds this morning. And take care. That was a nice surprise to the end of this video. That little bat flying by. Birds are really starting to wake up and causing a little ruckus in the trees. It's fun to listen to them. Another one just flew by again, top of me. I have seen the bats at night, but I haven't really seen them early in the morning. So this is a lot of fun. Thank you for being here with me and joining the sunrise.